So, efo llawn ma de, cael chi chi'n gwneud croes. Chi'n gwneud croes? Iawn. Llawn arall chi. Pob stad Cymraeg, ni? Llawn arall pob yn cylch. Ia? Oce. Chi'n gallu rhaid i gilydd fan? Na, os chi'n gallu a chi'n rili clyfar.
Dwi... Ti'n neud yn Croes. Ar y job.
Iawn, so dyma grŵp, maen nhw wedi bod yn gweithio ers y 6 wsos ar darn o fforwm o rhywbeth sydd yn digwydd yn y bwrdd enw ar hyn o'r dyn. Rwy'n ni watchad y darn i gyd drwy'r cychwyn efo, a ar y diwedd rwy'n ni gael sgwrs i weld pa gymeriad sydd yn ffifio empathi tuag at. A wedyn rwy'n ni fynd yn ôl a gael ddechrau ac ar y gyfran cyfle chi fel gynulleidfa i roed eich dwylo fyny ac wedi stop os ydych chi'n meddwl eich gynnig rhywbeth gwell i'r cymeriad yn o'r neud eich newid thing. So, rwy'n ni bortio dy gyd gyntaf.
No, shots, guys. Come on,
Thank you.
Yeah. Shots.
Oh, Clank, come on.
Come on, party, will you? Just take shots. Can we cover? Oh, it's a down with that.
So, seven, one,
Yeah,
2, 3. Come on, stay, come on. Beauty stick. Smoking that all the time doesn't help either. Hey! David! Os yw'n reicho, sad ti? It's named adre crio bod yn os ti'n mynd o bwyd chdi na.
Sgwrdd chi eisiau me, chdi lladd pobl felly. Jerry, helpless boy, man, knackered.
Have that, that'll make you feel better. We've all had one, come on.
That's not going to solve anything.
Got the key up, comes better than it's depressing you all the time.
Just come out, mate.
Lord. Don't get sick. That's it. Right, guys. Same how busy it is out in town. Do you fancy coming on?
Yeah. Stay here then.
Gidea, some Ollie.
Good idea. Great choice, man.
Hey, da iawn. Very proud. Cheers. Cool. Wait a minute, where's Kian? He's not here today. Oh no. Did I call him on? Come on. Kian, get down to see your family now. Why are you sitting in the dark? What the hell's wrong with you? You've changed, Kian. What's happened to you? You're jealous of your sister.
No.
Come down and join your family now.
I just want to be alone.
Kian, what's happened to you? You had a bright future, now you've just lost it, haven't you? I don't know what to do with you, I'm getting dad. Go on, just tell him. Come on.
You have to tell me now, what's that?
He hasn't been in college all week. He's been told that he's been taking drugs and just watching college all week.
And now you tell me this.
Sean, let him, I just don't know what to do anymore.
Just be a gobl sy'n mag ia. Ti'n byw oedd y mochyn, boi? Bys mater o'ch di, pan ti'n byd newid gymaint? Yn ffwbol. Dwi'n gwybod pam, cos ti'n dodgio coleg, ti'n smoking drugs, boi?
Drugs? Drugs? You're doing drugs as well? You do, what are the neighbours going to say, Kian? Oh, do you know what? I want him out of this house.
Weithio chdi na, chwio'r chdi, wad eisiau. Bys mater o'ch di, so neb yn y teulu ma'n neud drugs. Neb, ti'n dad? Ti'n mynd I weld doctor, ti'n mynd I hyn stwffio chdi.
What's your name and your birth, please? Okay, we haven't got any appointments today, but we have emergency surgery. Would you like to tell me what your problem is so I can get you to go see the right doctor?
I don't know what my problem is. I'm just really, really desperate. Quite scared and I don't know what to do.
Right, okay. I can't help you
unless you're going to tell me what the problem is you think. Sorry, could you just come and take a seat a moment, please?
Take a seat now. Would you like to go through?
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
You alright?
Yeah, what's wrong here? Nothing wrong here. You're in the doctors, and there's nothing wrong here. What are you doing?
She's wasting our time.
Yeah, it looks like a plot, doesn't it?
You're just sitting there, you've been up there, so there's nothing wrong. What are you doing? You're just wasting my time, wasting their time, wasting everybody's time. Just sort it out with him.
Kian? I can't give you an emergency appointment unless you tell me what your problem is, what's wrong with you. Or you're just going to... Right, well, you're just going to have to phone back during the week and make an appointment with the doctor then.
Please, I'm desperate. I just really don't know what's wrong with me.
Listen, if you can't bother to tell me what the problem is, you're just going to have to call back. I need to know what your situation is,
If I
what
don't
your
get seen
symptoms
today,
are.
I don't know what's going to happen. I'm really scared.
Come on, she's told you loads of times now.
Symptoms, he hasn't even got any symptoms. Look at him, he said there's nothing wrong with him, he doesn't even know. I've been here for ages, went to see my doctor, and he's just standing there with some time.
Do you want to go through to room
Yeah,
3?
cheers. You time waster.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Mental health. If you can't see it, does that mean it doesn't exist? Så neb yn dar beth sydd dwi'n meddwl bod fi'n chwaith. So when you like to see a doctor, who else is there to turn to? So my mum wedi gael help cyn drugs. Nobody cares. Why should I?
Cian, Darren.
Cian, ie, help us yna. Cian. A problemau fel Cian yn wynebu. A fath o'n eich gais chi'n cael.
Wel, mae'n amlwg yn delio neu'n syffro fo rhywbeth, mae'n rhywbeth wedi bod i boeni fo. A dyn, mae'n teimlo bod yn gweithio troi at neb i siarad amdano fo. So neb wedi ddall, felly.
Da ni yn mynd i ail ddechrau'r darn eto wan, ac yn ymwneud o drwy bob sy'n. A os ydych chi'n meddwl ar unrhyw adeg bod gennych chi ffordd glas o chi ar ei gallu delio efo sefyllfa neu rhywbeth sydd wedi newid, chi jyst wedi llaw hynny a dweud. Plis cofio bod chi'n gwybod sut mae'n mynd i orffan os ys gennych chi ddim syniadau o'r bresio. Ond os gennych chi'n mynd i gynnig, mae'n mynd i orffan yr un o'r un ffordd eto a y Cian yn gadael heb cael ei cael.
Iawn, shots guys, no? Ia.
Can I go?
Ti'n mynd party, we're just came shot.
Dwi'n licio fo.
Dwi'n stwffio.
Constant habit. It's good. Another one.
That's where. Take rhan o'r rai ar ôl.
Ti di wneud o wan ti'n cael, ti?
Dwi'n teimlo fo.
Sure. O, ti'n mynd gael o?
Why smoking that all the time, just depressing.
Ti'n neud? Ti'n neud? Brif o dyd? Sad ti? Ti'n dadlau a crio dda? Ti'n mynd cybwyll ddim o'r na?
Dwi'n depressed am o chwyd. Rydych chi'n lleisio yma eich chi'n dilaf o bobl o'r lle. Oes, ti'n mynd i hefyd, bod hwnna'n nacyd, mae'n nacyd.
Right, have one of them. Pick you up a bit. We've all had one.
That's not going to help me.
Of course it will.
Cyn mynd lein ti'n bod mewn.
Just gana o.
Stop!
Iawn, Cerin, ti'n mynd i gynnig
Y solution.
suggestion o fanna neu ti am ddod i newid efo Cian?
Mae'n di cymryd.
Ti'n mynd i ddod i gymryd lle, Cian? Ti'n deud?
Ia.
Thank you. O, beth ti eisiau mynd? O, dechrau ti.
Shots, please.
Dwi'n ond eich.
Come on, just have a shot.
Na.
Ti'n mewn party, just cyn yn shots, gen?
Gall o'n mynd, dwi'n misio fo'n et.
Dwi'n joio chi o.
Na do. Mae eisiau pethau gos di Cian.
Na, dwi'n ond.
Ti'n mewn party, dos o'n mat e? O ti'n mynd i fod fyny?
Be, dwi'n gyrraedd efo chi gael hwyl.
Sorry, ti'n da bysgyl?
Ydych chi'n llawer o fes, na ddech?
Na, so be? Yfad o iawn.
Ydych chi'n bod...
Ti yn met?
Pam dwi'n mynd fes? Pam dwi'n mynd efo chi? Ydych chi'n gael hwyl, ddim yn dad? Idiot. Pam?
What are you doing with that? It's just going to make you even more depressed, that, isn't it?
It chills me out.
Ti'n gael lists fo? Ti'n gael lists fo? Ti'n gael lists fo?
Sorry.
Ti'n crio, ti'n crio.
Ei, os gyda ni lleisiau'n pen fi, dweud?
Ie, dos o'n mat e?
Ia, na, ydych chi'n llawer o ffrindiau. Ei, siarad bod rhywun sy'n dod yn gwrando na fi ta. Ffwcio fo yma!
Nes ti gael dy pwynt dros o? Nes ti...
Wel, dwi'n mynd llawer o ddeg. Ia, dwi'n mynd llawer o ddeg, sy'n dweud ydy. Dyna di.
Nes ti drio?
Ond,
Ydy'r sefyllfa...
Dwi'n atab chwaith, dwi'n mwyn.
Ydy'r sefyllfa di newid?
Lle o'n mynd fyny, da.
Dwi'n pen dal yn ddigwydd.
Dwi'n bod, ella wedyn sy'n mynd at i rieni, ella bod o'n fwy hyderus i siarad efo nhw. Ella.
Ydy o'n realistig, mis o fod i bod i ddod hyderus?
Na.
I fod. So rhywun arall yn cynnig fydd yn mis o'r ymlaen i'r sy'n nesaf? Ie? Hei, iawn.
Job. Very much, cheers. Wait, no, where's Cian? Is he home? Come on, Dad. Come on, Cian. Come down and join your family now. Cian, why are you sitting in a dark room? Get down and join your family now.
Be left alone.
Yeah, no, not the kids that we raised. Come and join your family.
Want to be alone?
What, are you jealous of your sister's success?
No.
Listen, Cian, I don't know how to deal with you. I'm going to get your dad.
Stop. Nes, beth bod e?
Dwi'n gwybod, dim lot o understanding o fi, mam, ie.
Dwi'n bod o'n dyfynu, ie?
Ia.
Dwi ddim cweith o'r hyn eto. Iawn, iawn, dwi'n gwybod.
Just efo bod yn da, so mae'n rili hawdd sy'n ni'n cael newid y bod yn ôl yn y byd a bod yn bam rili understanding. Oedd yn anffodus dim Cian ddim. So mae'n chi newid y ffordd mae Cian yn
Come down and join your family.
No,
Why?
I'm not feeling good now.
You know, what do you mean you're not feeling good? In what way? Sitting in the dark doesn't help, does it?
Yeah, well, you don't understand, no.
I don't understand what.
Well, you might understand it either.
What don't you understand?
No, I just need to let you know, Heather.
Speaking.
No, on the line. No.
What don't you understand? What don't I
No,
understand?
you're all happy down there now, yeah, and you know my life's shit's going.
What do you mean? You've had a brilliant upbringing, really
I
privileged.
don't
What's
think
wrong
you
with
know
you?
how I feel, though, no?
Of course I don't, but you don't talk to us, do you?
Yeah, but it'll make it easy for me to talk now, and then she's going on brilliant, doing everything fantastic.
But you don't come and talk to your family. How are we supposed to help you if
Yeah,
you're
but
not talking to your
I'm
family?
not good with words and stuff, no, it's like,
You're not good with words?
no.
So, could you try and explain to me then and I'll listen?
I've just been feeling really crap.
And
I just
crap?
don't know what I want, where they're going, and there's
Okay.
nothing to help, you know. And everything just seems dark and all.
You've got your family to help you, haven't you?
Yeah, people don't really understand.
Okay. Should we... Yeah. I just clarify, do I know about the jokes at this point, right? That could be the only understanding, right?
Come on, tell him.
You can tell me now what you're talking about.
He hasn't been in college all week, and I've been told that he's been smoking weed and taking drugs instead in Belgian college.
And now you tell me this.
I'm just going to get just so we can really talk about it. Could you come up to my work and then? Cool down, you just said.
That's enough.
Keep it cool.
But then ti'n byw for
Keep it
hold on a minute, ti'n gwybod yn dodge o coleg? Hold on a minute. Ti'n gwybod dodge o coleg a ti'n gwybod yn llwyth o drugs? Llwyth o drugs?
O, dim llwyth na.
Drugs? Ti'n gwybod be?
You're not being honest with us. Do you know I'm not interested in this? What are the neighbours going to say? You're on drugs? No, it's drugs!
Oh, it's no point, is it? No point, that's all.
Let's be managed with the points to that stuff.
Oh, for bam. Didn't know that.
That's impossible. Let's do trio cael y points. Okay, so nath o newid pethau chdi bach.
Na, wel, ro'n bach, do.
Mam yn dechrau da. Mae mam dal yn hysterical am y drugs. Ond mae'n dechrau da. Ie? Fysa wedi newid pethau i Gian. Fysa mam eich ar ôl hwyl lawr y dweud. So mae di newid pethau.
So ni'n nadio beth arall o fyna.
Lle, ti eisiau dod yn
Ie, gofyn beth. Neithoi, pan mae'r ddau yn fflipio.
Oce, so
Dwi'n eisiau neud yn hawdd.
Ie,
Not just with it, yeah. I know
what you're
Yeah, want it.
Get a fish on, please. I don't like those.
Yeah.
Come on, Sean.
Ti'n cian, ti'n byw for moch.
Keep it cool, keep it cool.
A mam yn bod yn eich stori, ond dwi'n mwyn wyn.
Cos ti'n gwybod pam, cos ti wedi bod yn dodge o coleg a ti'n neud llwyth o drugs. Na, ti wedi clywed na, fi hyd i.
Drugs?
Drugs.
You're on drugs? You're a junkie?
I'm not,
No, I can't listen to anymore. You're lying to me. We've sat here and listened to you and you're lying in my face.
No, I use the drugs to help.
That's... No.
Yes,
You're a
they help.
junkie.
No, this is what they help.
Why are you doing this? You're doing this to yourself.
I don't know why I'm doing it, and I use the drugs to help me stop doing it. And
So what's the matter?
I don't know what's wrong. I'm just feeling a lot alone, and
Okay,
I know we're not,
professional
but
help, I don't know how to
I
deal with
don't know what
it.
to do.
Sean,
Ti'n mynd i'r doctor, bai.
come on.
Look at the devil, be please.
Yes.
Ydy'n realistig, fysa fel wedi.
That's pleasure.
Wel,
Y fam yn sicr bydda.
Y fam?
Ie.
Mae'r hynny'n kind of sylwi bod nhw'n broblem erbyn hyn. Dyn nhw'n dismisio Cian o le bod nhw'n cymryd o ddifri bod gynnu fo beth massive.
A yr un peth yn newid ydyn nhw'n cael eu ffaint fam neu bod nhw'n cael eu gaffen.
Ie, mae fi wedi dibynnu ffaint o desbryd, mae Cian ar y pwynt yna dy esbryso yn dangos yn y beidio. Ond, i fi ni ar.
Dwi'n arall yn ymwysg ymlaen i'r nesaf. Ymlaen, ie?
appointment with a doctor today, but you do have emergency surgery available? Yeah. Okay. What's your problem? So I can have you to the right doctor.
I don't know what my problem is.
You don't know what your problem is?
No, I just know there's something wrong. I don't feel very safe with myself. Quite scared.
Okay. Sorry, could you just go and take a seat, please? Wait a minute.
Okay, love.
Just like to take a seat, we'll get you to see the doctor as soon as possible.
Feel free now. Yeah? In the state of him.
Right, mate. Right. What's wrong here? Nothing. Seems to me like you're chatting shit when you were up there then. What's wrong with you? You said there's nothing wrong with you, but you're in the doctor's. I find that a bit weird. Are you doing just there to waste time or something? No. Well, just go and sort it out. Just go and tell them, because I would want to see the doctor. I've been here for ages. Just sort it out with it. Jesus.
Leanne? I need to know what your symptoms are, else I'm not going to be able to get you an appointment today. You're going to have to go back and phone in the morning and make an appointment.
I don't know what is wrong with me.
Right, listen, if you can't be bothered to tell me what's wrong, then there's nothing I can do to help you. You're just going to have to go home and you're going to have to phone back and make an appointment with the doctor.
If I don't listen today, I don't know what's going to happen.
Stop. Thank you. Oh, there, didn't there?
Yeah. Hi. Well, like I said, I don't know. Is there somewhere private you can talk, or is there a nurse I can see?
It's private enough here, don't worry, it's fine.
Okay, I'm going to be waiting in the up there. Patients' charter, we've got a policy around confidentiality. I'd like somewhere private.
Yes, everything you say to me will be kept confidential.
He hasn't got a problem, man. Jeez, I've been waiting here for ages now.
Patients' charter, please.
I'm ill. I've been waiting to see the doctor for an hour. I need to go through. I'm ill, and he's there wasting time. Can I just go through, or what?
Go on, you can go through.
Is there a nurse I can see?
No, there's just emergency appointments available today.
She told you it's busy today, so
I understand that, but I've also said that I need to see something urgently today because I'm at risk of harm to myself.
Is it realistic? The questions that she was asking before, okay, I'm going to ask her now.
Unless he was aware of the fact that it was rights.
the reception is kind of changing it.
Like Kelly.
And the surgeries are available.
Not really.
Did you get your point across?
Yeah, but I still think that I have the right to speak to somebody in private.
Yeah.
Mae'r surgeries yn lle daunting hefyd yn mynd, so os na ti'n gwybod lle fynd a be wneud a...
Wedyn, dwi'n sy'n mynd lleol, ti'n efo help.
Ie,
Ydy o wir bod chi'n gorfod dyna bwysig yn bod chi'n gorfod dweud beth nôl?
Mae hon i gyd yn dod o brofiadau mewn pobl ifanc, ond sydd wedi bod yn rhan o'r grwpiau wedi cael receptionist yn gofyn iddyn nhw be ydy symptoma chi, dyna posteri ar wal.
Dyn nhw ddim fod i o gwbl.
Dyna posteri ar wal. Yn deud, dydy bod yn ysneslyd o'r plan bod nhw hawl i ofyn mwy o ar y lle sgrid, lle maen nhw'n gyd yn ysneslyd, eich ddim yn bod wedi digwydd.
Dwi'n gwybod rwy'n un wain, mae'n wedi cael pregnancy results yn announced in the waiting room.
Good news.
Sgyn rhywun arall rhywbeth i gynnig? Rhywun arall eisiau go?
Dwi'n dweud yma, jyst hold dwi'n mwyn o beth.
Ydych chi eisiau bod o'n drwad i'r doctor? Ie? Rydyn ni'n mynd i adael. O, dechrau, os ydych chi eisiau. Ie. Come in.
What's your name and date of birth, please?
Kian is 11 of the 8th, 1985.
We haven't got any doctors available today, we're just emergency surgery. If you'd like to tell me what your problem is, we can allocate you to the right doctor.
I don't know what's wrong with really, so can I just book an appointment because it's quite hard to see.
Right, we haven't got any appointments available today, we've just got the emergency surgery. And I can only send you if I know what your symptoms are or your problem is, so I can send you to the doctor.
Can I sort some private information?
Sorry, would you just like to take a seat a moment? Right, okay, I'll just take a seat and we'll get to see someone as possible. Thank you.
You can go through now.
Right, mate. What's wrong with you? Nothing wrong with you. You're in the doctor's and you've got nothing wrong with you.
It's private, so.
Well, go up and just say what's wrong with you, because I've been here for ages and you're just there wasting time, so just go and do it. Just go up and talk. Jesus.
Right, Kian. I really need to know what the problem is so I can get you to see the right doctors. I'll just tell you what the matter is.
I suffer from tonsillitis and I think that's it.
Right, okay, would you just like to take a seat?
Can I go through this? I've been here for a while.
Yeah, doctor, I'll see you now in 2. Thank you. I'd like to go through the doctor, I'll see you now.
If you're happy to know, I can be calm about it and I can see it and then come and join the doctor. Yeah.
So, don't let them sit.
I'm finding it. I'm quite scared to be with myself amongst times first.
Okay.
I didn't exactly tell the receptionist the truth.
Right.
I've got quite a serious problem, but I'm not sure what's wrong. I keep on getting these thoughts and I get quite down at times. I'm scared that something might happen. I don't get some professional help.
Right, okay, tell you what, I'll just here, take this to reception, they'll send you through and then they'll just follow the instructions, yeah? And just take these, alright? Yeah.
Thank you.
Take it easy, see you again.
Roses.
And realistic.
And they
Yeah.
You're ready to go down again. Fysa person ifanc yn y sefyllfa yma ddim yn mynd i wrthod nhw mor hir a hynny gael.
Os wedi cyrraedd y pwynt yna, lle mae o'n ddifrif.
Wel, mi ddim yn gwybod nhw'n gael.
Ddim yn hyfryd.
Iawn, yn hwnnw arall.
Ac ddim yn gwybod beth sydd ar gael. Ddim yn gwybod beth o'n mynd am.
Dyna lle mae deud i'w rhieni efo neu wrth y llaw rhywun arall yn y gymuned, sa'n fodlon dyna efo ag i gwffio drosto falle dde. efo ni un, sy'n modlon derbyn y tabledi am yn do yna. Lle sy'n rhywun yna efo fo, sy'n nhw'n pwysio bod o'n mwy o help na hynna.
Hefyd faint o ddim, mae'r doctor eisiau cynnig hynna, cos pob ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n gael.
Hefyd, os ys yn defol os yw'n gallu deall beth sy'n ymlaen yn gwybod hefyd.
Faint o training mae'r GPs o surgery sy'n cael efo dysgu a mental health a pobl ifanc a... Mae'n highlight yn hynna, ydyn nhw?
Sgyn ti'n meddwl 7 bedio, 6 munud? So ti'n cael lot o chance i siarad efo...
A beth ydy eich as rhywun yn meddwl os y doctor yn rhoi hwn i fi? Dyna di'n rhaid gorau i fi. Dwi'n
derbyn ti'n gael.
Mae'n agos at 8 mis o waiting-list i rhywun i weld rhywun proffesiynol sydd yn gwybod yn ei wedi helpu nhw. So dyna yr 8 mis yna, yna lot yn gallu digwydd yn ddim. So dwi'n gallu gwaith.
Bydd yna, dwi'n gallu meddwl pobl ifanc. 8 mis?
Pobl ifanc, pobl...
Pal, 8 mis?
Pobl yn coleg? Fel, mae lot o prifysgol efo mental support officers yn edrych.
Yn coleg, mae'n gwybod o counselors, dwi'n meddwl...
Hefyd, mae'n activist yn dod o hwnna hefyd.
Dewch at gyda'n gilydd. Ie, yn telyd, so Gisda.
Eithaf esbonio beth i gyda'n gilydd. Handi. Wel, sy'n esbonio.
Oce, da ni weithio efo teuluoedd a pobl ifanc i 25 i helpu nhw efo amrywiaeth o broblema. A maen nhw'n medru cael access at wahanol gwasanaethau hefyd. Mae'r cwnsela drwy Gisda yn un ohonyn nhw. Advocacy, youth justice, preventative work, so bond, mediation, yna di gallu helpu.
Sef efo teulu.
Bond, di helpu cael y teulu i siarad efo'i gilydd yn falle.
Mae teulu yn gallu gwneud referral.
Yndi, gwasanaeth i teulu yn gwneud ni hefyd yn gweithio ar bobl yn gyda'r peth yn ei gynta gweithio efo Gisda hyn o'r cynnig.
So fysa yn y situation yna, pwy fysa'n neud yr eithaf, fysa Cian yn gwneud sut o'n weithio i cael Cian access?
Pan ni'n cael referrals i'n GPs.
Oce.
Ond mi fysa fo angen cynnydd i dafod arbeit a fysa wedi bod yn rhan o'r bob gyda. Os o'n Cian yn gallu gwneud yn gwneud fysa.
So yna'n bosib, yna'n opsiwn i Cian. Gyda'n gilydd.
Just cael o bobl yr ydw
Os dwi'n trio fynd at doctor, a wedyn hynna dwi'n bod yn anifio efo, lle dwi'n eisiau mynd i wneud arall i'n cofio ar y hedd.
Ydy referral yn...
Yndi, mae'n referio. Mae'n referio allan.
So, ti'n ei weld Theatr Fforwm, beth chdi fel yn efo?
Oedd o'n rhywbeth dda, rhywbeth interesting i'w dyn nhw'n as, ni actually gweld sut mae real life thing o pobl angen help a be maen nhw'n resifio. I fi ar ôl weld hwnna, mae'n edrych oedd bod yna digon o support i gael i bobl a dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhaid peth angen i fi, especially efo mental health. Mae'n rhaid gormod i ddisgwyl 8 mis fel nad dwi'n gwybod o hynny. A dwi'n meddwl mae angen i fi, dwi'n onest, mae'n lot o bobl angen help allan yna hefyd.
Gret, diolch yn iawn. So, gyda, beth ydych chi feddwl o'r dan Theatr Fforwm na wan?
Rili da, diddorol. Nes i rili enjoy efo, a nath o godi lot o gwestiynau am iechyd meddwl yn enwedig efo pobl ifanc. Nes i feddwl lot.
Beth ydych chi feddwl o hwnna wan?
Nes i rili enjoy efo, cos mae wedi gweithio yn iechyd meddwl o blaen. Cael gweld perspektif yr unigolyn ifanc yn rili da i'r unig.
Beth ydych chi feddwl o dan Theatr Fforwm na wan?
O, hwnna'n rili da. Dwi'n gweithio nod fan. So, dwi wedi bod yn clywed y fforddiant a'r paratoi da. So, nosa, dwi'n mynd busnesu. Mynd, o, beth sy'n on? A mae'n dweud, ofyn a perfformiad. So, dwi'n mynd, di drwy'n ddwad gret.
Ydych chi'n gweld ffordd da i codi mybyddiaeth o...
O, briliant ydi. A ffordd da edrych ar broblem ydi. Mae lot fwy effeithiol na just sgwrsio neu siarad amdano fo. Oedd jyst dod efo lot mwy real. Na, rili da.
Diolch yn iawn.